Here we have 5x plus 1 in brackets, and it's all multiplied by 2. We know it's all multiplied by 2 because of those brackets. So I think of that as 5x plus 1 multiplied by 2. So the 1 is multiplied by 2, and so is the 5x to give me 10x. Normally we'll see that written as follows. 2 times 5x is 10x. I put in these little lines so that I don't leave anything out, and if I do, it'll be obvious. And 2 times plus 1 is plus 2. Here I've got 5 multiplied by everything inside those brackets. 5 times 3, 15, and 5 times plus 2x is plus 10x. Here I've got 2 brackets. That means I've 2 multiplication sums. Remember that multiplication is always done before addition. So I'm going to multiply everything in this bracket by the 2, everything in this bracket by the 3, and add the 2 results together. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 2 is plus 4. Now this is telling me stop multiplying by the 2. And now I start multiplying the second bracket by 3. Plus 3x plus 12. Now when I look at my answer, I can see that I can simplify it because I have 2x here and 3x here, which gives me 5x's, like terms added together, and 4 and 12, 16. Pause the video and work this one out. This time I've got a minus outside the bracket. I'm going to treat it in exactly the same way. The minus 4 is multiplied by everything inside the bracket. So minus 4 times x is minus 4x. And minus 4 times plus 3 is minus 12. Pause the video and try this one. Before we do the next one, let's do a little bit of revision. X times x is x squared, and 2 times x is 2x. Now let's remember that when we do the next question. Here we've got x, a variable outside the bracket. We treat it in exactly the same way as we do when we've a constant outside the bracket. So x is multiplied by everything in the bracket. X times x is x squared, and x times 2 is 2x. Pause the video and try this one. Now try this one. Have a go at this before I do it. Minus x times x is minus x squared. Because remember again, that means minus 1 times x times plus 1x. Minus 1 by plus 1 is minus 1, and x by x is x squared. Minus 1x by 8. Minus by minus is plus, and x times 8 is 8x. Try this one. In this sum, we're multiplying the brackets by minus 2x. So x has a coefficient of minus 2. If you look up the key terms, you'll see that coefficient means number in front of the variable. Minus 2 times x. Remember, x means 1x. We multiply the coefficients together. Minus 2 times 1 is minus 2. And now we multiply the variables together. X times x, x squared, minus 2x times plus 5, minus by plus is minus, 2 5s are 10x. Pause the video and try this one yourself. It's very important to read the question first of all and plan out what you're going to do. We can see here we've got two multiplication sums. This bracket is multiplied by minus 6 and this bracket is multiplied by minus 2. So we do our multiplication first. Minus 6 times 2 is minus 12. Minus 6 times 3x is minus 18x. Now we're multiplying by the minus 2. Minus 2 times x is minus 2x. And minus 2 times 4 is minus 8. Now we're ready to simplify. And again, I usually do the x's first and then the constants. Minus 18x minus 2x is minus 20x. Like signs, keep those signs and add. Minus 12 minus 8, like signs, keep the sign and add, minus 20. Pause the video and try this one. Pause the video and see can you do this. Pause the video and try this one. If you got this one correct, I advise you to go on to the next video, which is on grid multiplication, where you've back-to-back brackets to multiply. If you didn't get all of them right, rewind and practice a few more times.